But if you do the potato right, it should be relatively easy. See, that's not as bad. This one's... Potato skin's not good for dogs. So. Alright, you guys should have seen all the makings of the amazing twice baked potatoes. Now, very simple, we're just going to make some burgers. I'm only going to make 2. That's really all I need. Just me and the wife having some lunch. Guys, all I'm doing is I'm showing you how you can make a pretty dope lunch. If you're at the house, everybody's got potatoes laying around. You should have potatoes laying around. If you don't, there's something terrible going on in your life. Or you're just not eating enough potatoes maybe. Also, a hamburger, it's quick, it's easy, but when you're sitting around, you go, hey, what do we want for lunch? I don't know. Burger sounds good. Oh yeah, I like those ones from TGI Fridays or whatever. Oh man, they got those potato skins there too. I love those. That's a $50 meal, folks. I got a $2 bag of potatoes and I don't know, $8, $9 worth of hamburger. Now we roll it. And in roughly 10 minutes, we should be eating. Stay tuned for the whole end product. It's going to be delicious. Alright, so I, like many others, use the same basic seasonings on every single hamburger I make. You got the most popular, the McCormick hamburger, right? Absolutely, always. Onion powder, gotta have it. Garlic powder, gotta have that on the burger, on really anything. And then I like to actually use Himalayan salt. Why do I like to use Himalayan salt? The actual crustedness, the actual crystalline of the salt that's ground up makes for a very nice kind of crust on the burger. So, thought I'd show you that I use the exact same hamburger mixture as everybody else, even when I don't mix up the hamburger. We should be good to flip. Try not to get popped there. Man, these look good. Let's get a close up here. Alright guys, the burgers are just about ready. We're going to back up this way because all of this noise is going to catch. Alright, the only real thing that's special about the burgers, I use provolone cheese. Yes, I use that special butcher style, whatever that was from the fancy type. But the real reason burgers, I always hear about Nando'S sauce. It's a mayonnaise, right? But it's supposed to be this delicious, tangy, and fiery mayo. I'll be the judge of that. So, the only thing going on my burger, no veggies, no nothing, We got 2 quality patties, right? We're gonna put Nando'S. I'm gonna leave the mustard off at first, try it, and then if it needs mustard or anything like that, we'll add it. But Nando's review coming up. My mouth's watering. Let's do this. Now comes burger time. So, since we're here and I need to do a recap anyway, let's do it, and then we'll try the Nando's burger, and then I'll try everything else. Yeah. So the twice baked potato, it took about what 40 minutes the first time. So we just baked the potato, which you guys saw, 40 minutes. Pour back out, cut it in half, mix everything together, put it all back together, put it in the oven for about. So I did it for about 25 minutes to get a golden brown on top. Now the burger, standard burger, right? Standard burger. Let's try it. Nando's sauce, first try, provolone cheese, nothing crazy. Let's see what we got. Hell no. No. Let's see what we got. Looks good. Bacon, cheese, sour cream, butter. Nice golden brown on top from the Old Bay. That's going to be really hot and burn my mouth. We got to do it. Tastes like a perfect loaded baked potato that I don't have to worry about cutting through the crust. Man, that's good. We'll check in on the Nando's review of how I like the mayo once we're done with this. I'm gonna eat, the wife's gonna eat our potato. We'll see you in a minute. Alright guys, take 2. Here we are. We actually checked the burgers this time all the way through. They're done. So now I'm gonna do a review of the Nando's Pyrenees tangy and fiery mayo. Hot. Gluten-free, kosher, whatever. Let's try it. I got a little hit of it off the first one that tried to food poison me, and it was very, very spicy. No food poisoning. To be very honest, I don't taste anything. Okay. It reminds me of a... Imagine a hibachi, the one that you love, the yum yum sauce, but spicy.
Spicy yum yum sauce.
With almost like a... Almost like a teriyaki in there? Does that make sense?
No.
No? It doesn't? It's very good. I like it. I don't know what I got the first time, but this one was not near as spicy. Alright guys, thank you so much for hanging out. The twice baked potatoes were delicious, as always. Takes about an hour to make, but I think they're worth it. I definitely think they're worth it. It's nice to switch it up from fries or mashed potatoes alone sometimes. Make yourself a little something special, and hey, you look super fancy doing it, right? The Nando'S review, overall, I have to say I love it. It's very good. I'm not someone who likes to stack a bunch of stuff on my burger. The more of a show it becomes, the less interested I become. I just like the taste of a good quality burger that's cooked all the way through, with cheese on it usually, and some Nando'S mayo, right? Delicious. Guys, make sure you check out Sauce Unlimited. They sponsor the show. All the sauce that you see, Nando'S included, right? Sauce it up, right? Over on sauceunlimited.com, you can use MAC15, gives you 15% off, and now you got the dopest clothes in the game, right? Guys, make sure you thumbs up, subscribe, share it with your friends, and we'll see you on the next episode of Ready to Rise.